Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Samsung apps you must install on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and the first application I'm going to show to you is Samsung Galaxy Notes. So this is a cool application you must install on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can create notes with this application. As you can see, that's our my note, and we'll be able to lock our note as well. As you can see, this is the locked note in my Samsung Note, and you can also open the PDF file with the Samsung Galaxy Note. You just need to go to the PDF and then you have to open the PDF file, and you will be able to edit your PDF right here. You can add tags and then add a signature to your PDF. That's pretty cool application you must install. And the second one, you have to install the Samsung Music. So this is a music player in Samsung. You can use this application to play music or audio in your Samsung Galaxy phone, and you can also hide unwanted folder. Let's say you want to hide your voice recorder folder. If you want to hide a folder from your Samsung Music, you can click on these three dots and then you can click on hide folder, and you can choose the unwanted folder you want to hide from your Samsung Music. And the third application I'm going to recommend to you is Smart Switch. So this application is for transferring data. You can transfer everything from one Samsung Galaxy phone to another. For example, if you want to migrate to your new phone, you can transfer all your data from old phone to your new phone, and the process is really easy. You just need to click on send data, and then you can click on receive data on the receiver's phone. And then the last one, the application I want to show you is Samsung Find. This application will help you to find lost Galaxy phone, tablet, watch, and other device with same account. And it's really cool. I'm going to check my device, and just in case if your phone is lost, you can use this application to help you find your lost phone. Alright guys, and that's all of the Samsung apps you must install on your Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.